In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel spreadsheet into ClickUp. First, open your ClickUp workspace. Head to clickup.com and log in, then make sure you're inside the correct workspace, the one that actually holds the spaces where you want this data to live. If you work across multiple teams, a quick glance at the workspace name will save you from importing into the wrong place. Next, open your settings. In the top right corner, click your profile icon, the small circle with your photo or initials, and choose Settings from the dropdown. This is where we'll find the tools for bringing data into ClickUp. On the left sidebar of the settings window, look for Imports, Exports, or a similarly named option. This section is dedicated to moving data in and out of ClickUp and is exactly what we need for Excel files. Now start the import process. Click Import Items. You'll see several sources like Trello, Asana, and Spreadsheet. Since we're bringing in an Excel file, select Spreadsheet. This tells ClickUp we're mapping columns and rows from your file into tasks and lists. Choose where your data will go. Click Choose Location or Team, space, and select the space that should receive the imported items like marketing or client projects. This determines where ClickUp will create the lists and tasks from your Excel file, so pick carefully to keep things organized from the start. Set the date format. ClickUp will ask for the format your spreadsheet uses. DD, YYY, DD, YYY, and so on. Match this to the dates in your file to avoid shifted or incorrect deadlines. Then click Continue. Upload your Excel file. Click Upload File, browse to the correct file on your computer, and select it. If your spreadsheet is large, give ClickUp a moment to load and process everything. Confirm the import job. Once the file is processed, ClickUp queues the import in the background. When it's ready, click Import into ClickUp, and then Complete to finalize. Verify your imported data. Click Home to return to your main workspace, then navigate to the space you selected earlier. You should see a new area labeled Import from Spreadsheet or something similar, with your lists, tasks, and data now available. Finally, clean up and organize as needed. Review the imported tasks, lists, and statuses. Adjust task names, statuses, assignees, and due dates to match your ClickUp workflow. A quick pass here ensures your new data fits right into your team's process. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.